up next on The Price is Right, we're going to figure out where we can mount our microwave. There's a nice little cubby here where there's some space that's unused below this door I'd like to use. I am just wanting to make sure that it's going to be high enough above the driver's head to where, like, if they go over a bump, they're obviously not going to hit any of the framework I built to support this thing. So I'd like to put the microwave kind of in here so you still have all this counter space to use because everything is so limited in here. So I'll see what I can do. I'm going to bring the microwave in, try to fit it up, and see what works. Okay, so we're doing pretty good on the microwave mount. We're going to use these as the bottom here. And then on the bottom of the microwave, it has little legs. I'm going to just drill holes, you know, 1-inch holes where the legs need to go to help it kind of situate so it's not rocking back and forth, as well as I'll put just a little lip on the bottom here below this button so there's some room to, you know, kind of make sure this thing's going to hold in place. It's also going to sandwiched on all sides and everything like that, but it always helps just to have a little more thing to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. It's going to be anchored down below there. I've got a big mount for that, and then we're going to go into the countertop for the front couple pieces. They're going to sit about here and one over here, and then that's going to give us a little bit of a platform here where this guy can pretty much live. So that's the goal. Enjoy. Everybody, so you can probably see we got the microwave holder completely locked in. This thing is rock solid. It's not going anywhere, which is good because when you're driving you don't want that thing going anywhere. It's like we mentioned, it's got an opening underneath here so we can save the counter space for actual counter things, and then if we want to hang anything from here too, we can add hooks and hang things. As you'll notice, there's some holes underneath here. These are where the legs for the microwave go, so it actually holds it from moving forwards and backwards. As well as it's obviously clamped down on the top here too to make sure it's not going anywhere. The door still opens all the way just like it's supposed to. And then even if I wanted to take this microwave, it's not going anywhere unless you unscrew these screws and these screws to take off the brace on top. So all in all, pretty good. Super excited about this. I gotta find out how we are gonna finish these with paint or stain or whatever. So let me make that call and you guys can enjoy some lovely hold music. So next step is obviously painting, but to do that we gotta get the staining done. So we got these guys burnt in and this guy burnt in, so we can do a matching stain to the countertop. So those are prepped and ready to go, and then up next is obviously many different colors in many different places, so we'll see how that goes. Should be lots of fun. Enjoy, keep following along. Talk to you later. Okay, so we got a couple things we got to do. A lot of variety of stuff. We're starting out with colonial maple. Colonial. That's going on this, which is already done. It goes on our new blocks to hold down our stove. It's going to go on this, the bottom of that, and on the microwave stand. So everything that, and that's it for this. Then we're finally done with this color, and then we'll jump into the tan stain that we used in the shower for a couple things in the back. So, enjoy. Okay, so we got the stain in. So back here, all of these upper trusses are gonna be stained, and then everything that's not painted, you'll see, is gonna go white. So we'll get a little bit of mix of the true natural wood color plus some white to blend in with the sides. Same thing back here. We're gonna go this natural color here. This is gonna go ash, same color as the window. We're gonna hit all this stuff in here with that same color. And then probably take this guy up in white, that guy in white, and this guy in white. And then in the bathroom too, we got a good first coat of stain on this guy. Probably gonna throw a second coat on just so this wood can be protected as much as possible, but it matches the door frame now, which is nice. And then finally up here, like I talked about, I've got this stuff all done in the maple, colonial maple, and same with the microwave tray here. So this is all burnt in and stained, and then we'll mask this off and do the rest of the stuff that's unpainted and white following. So keep following along, enjoy, have a good night. I'm gonna go hit the hay. Okay, Sophie came out to check why I wasn't coming to bed yet, but it's getting a little late. But I had to get all this stuff done in one shot here, so we'll start in the back. First I did all the shelves, so the upper and inside parts, the yellow stain, kind of natural wood look, and then underneath we have the white to keep it kind of bright and light in there. Closet is all done in white, down to the base there. Shelves are natural. Air conditioning holder also like a natural yellow, and then the frame for the air conditioner that goes around the front of it, kind of like the belt, is the ash color. I'll step back here and show you the front of the bed. All the drawers are pulled out just so they can dry and not get stuck shut, but they're drying. The whole front is white as requested. Our bookshelf is painted white as well over here. Again, super tough to see because it's all tiny. Just got these polyurethane, so they are drying. It's a satin finish, so don't worry, they won't be as shiny as they look right now. Countertop as well, also done with polyurethane finish. I hit the microwave stand while we were at it here, as well as the shelf up here, just to protect it from the moisture from the sink and cooking and such. So, and then you saw yesterday we got the bathroom all stained up too. So we've got all kinds of things going on in here. Tons of paint and fumes. Everything you could hope for while painting inside of enclosed space. So we're all set. Enjoy, keep following along, like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Hopefully if they want to learn to build something, this can help them. And enjoy. Have a good night.